Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by inspecting the coil closely and locating the worst deformation. You want to see where turns are compressed or separated. Using needle nose pliers and a soft cloth, gently hold the adjacent turns to prevent further warping. Once done, work from the most compressed section outward so you relieve tension in the correct direction. This reduces the chance of creating new kinks. Make sure to keep the slinky stable on a flat surface and work in good light so you can track each turn. You now straighten individual turns by using the pliers wrapped in a cloth, applying small, controlled pressure to nudge each wire back into the helix. Move incrementally, one coil at a time, because large bends cause snapping or spring memory issues. This is why precision matters. Once a section is aligned, compare it with neighboring turns and correct any pitch variations so the slinky will travel smoothly. Make sure to rotate the toy slowly and repeat until the overall helix regains an even. You finish by removing any burrs with a fine file and wiping the metal clean so the coils slide past each other. Then test the slinky gently on a few steps or a flat run to observe movement. If it flows, you succeeded. If it still catches, re-examine the problem area and retighten or loosen adjacent turns slightly to balance tension. And if a coil is broken, consider splicing a short section of similar gauge wire. This is the key troubleshooting move when repairable parts are damaged.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.